Today I'm trying out my new battery allister hedge trimmer. I've never used one before, so this is my genuine first impression. So the first thing I notice is that it's a lot more lighter and comfortable to move around than a traditional electric or petrol trimmer. It's also much quieter than a petrol hedge trimmer, which is a big bonus if you're working in residential homes. You can feel a couple of times when hitting thicker branches it cuts out, which is what it's actually designed to do to not burn out the motor. So there's nothing fancy, no little buttons or settings to alter, just a trigger and safety grip. For general hedge trimming and regular maintenance, it does a great job. It cuts cleanly through the smaller growth and seems ideal for everyday gardening. So this costs £55 from my local B&Q, but it doesn't come without batteries, but luckily I had a couple anyway spare. So you really do get what you pay for with this. Don't expect to be cutting down huge branches and things like this, but as I've said, for these sort of jobs it is ideal. So now I'm going to try it on this conifer hedge. Obviously you can see it's not massively overgrown, but I just wanted to show you how easy it cuts and what it can potentially be used for. So overall, I would definitely use this again. Anything that makes jobs easier is a big plus for me. So it's definitely something I'll be carrying with me for future jobs that just need a little trim and tidying up. Like I said earlier, anything bigger, larger jobs, obviously you might want something a bit more powerful. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more. And let me know if you're as impressed with it as I am.